Honk if you think I'm a hobo.
Car. Let's see what they say.
A car is coming. Here we go. Honk. We have a sign so people can tell. Here it comes. We got a honk. Woo! That rules. Thank you, car. We got a honk. Yay. Okay, see you guys later. Let's read the sign quick. Honk if you think I'm a hobo. It fits you perfectly. We got an umbrella and a chair. Oh yeah, and some empty Eclipse mints.
That's my house.
That's his house. See? No. There's nothing in him. So yeah. Okay, say bye.
See, guys, look.
Say bye.
Perfect comfort.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hold up the sign one more time.